how to add borders to video in Premiere Pro. Let's get into it. Select your clip, then come up to the motion and bring down the scale so that we can see the borders. Next, come down to the rectangle tool and then click and drag a rectangle over your video. Next, come up to Window, come down to Properties. Within here, click the shape, uncheck the fill, check stroke, and then change the colour to whatever you want. There are 3 different stroke options for you to choose from. You can increase the pixels of this stroke before you choose the stroke option. Once you're happy with those settings, come into your timeline and just make sure that your graphic is the same length of your video clip. Then select both, right click and then choose Nest. And that's all there is to it.